Hello, my name is Andrea Rosser, and I am so glad that somebody invited you on here today to learn a little bit more about our drops. Cannot wait for the opportunity to just chit chat with you for just a couple minutes about all of the different benefits. So, you may already be using this phenomenal product, and you might already be seeing some of these things be erased from your life, but maybe you're brand new and you're not quite sure why you want these. Well, some of the things that we can see in our body when our hormones get out of balance is things like mood swings or weight gain or food cravings or feeling tired when we really shouldn't be, headaches, night sweats, low libido, hot flashes, acne, even insomnia. And sometimes we might think this is just part of getting older, but guess what? It's not. These are all things that we can manage and feel better by balancing out our hormones. And that is what this phenomenal product is going to help us do. So the company that's bringing this product to market is PartnerCo. You may not know our name yet because we're only 2 years old, but we have products with a lot of history. We actually have access to over 100 different products that move the needle in a positive way with our health, that help us in so many different ways, but all of our products are tested and proven. The way that I like to explain it is that our products are clean. So they're backed by science, they're derived from nature. We have a variety of different minds that are helping make sure that these are the best products possible for our health, but they're clean. So we do not allow any negative ingredients to make it into our products. And I love that because I can feel good consuming it and sharing it with the people that I love. So the product that we're here to talk about, hopefully you already love these two little bottles, but if not, I'm going to share a little bit more. Maybe you don't know about them yet. But what they're going to do is they're going to allow us to drop twice the amount of weight as if we cleaned up our diet alone. And one of the big mechanisms of what they're doing is they're telling our body to calm down. We're all a little bit stressed, right? You're stressed, I'm stressed. It could be environmental stress, relationships, work, all of the things. And what that stress does is it raises our cortisol level, which knocks all of our other hormones out of balance. And so, what these are going to do is they're going to say, let's calm down. And when that cortisol calms down, we can balance out all of our other hormones. And that's going to help us with our appetite, our energy, our metabolism, our mood. Oh my goodness, our mood. It's going to support our thyroid, and it's also going to help us regulate that blood sugar. And how many times do we hear about metabolic syndrome or diabetes or pre-diabetes or insulin resistance? These drops are going to help with all of that. So it does come with an approved food list. It's just real food. It's the way that our mamas fed us when we were little. It's the way we should probably eat. But sometimes this can be a little bit of a struggle because when our cortisol is high, what happens? We crave sugar, we crave salt, we crave fat, and we don't have that internal discipline to fight through the pain of not having those things. When we lower that cortisol, well, we're going to get the natural discipline to balance out and crave the foods that are here. So get those drops in, and you'll see that this approved food list is easy and it's not a diet. There's no calorie restrictions. Just eat more healthy food and you will feel great. So I'm going to show you a variety of pictures. Main thing I want you to see is how different everybody is. People from all walks of life are seeing transformations in their health, in their bodies, from the ladies, the gentlemen, getting rid of that visceral fat, feeling fantastic. Even the super fit are going to see benefits with this product. And I want you to see that this is weight loss that is healthy. Dr. Crystal, if you look at her face there, I love how healthy she looks because sometimes when we lose weight, we might not do it in the healthiest ways and it shows. But these drops are a way that we can lose weight quickly, efficiently, and still get healthier every single step of the way. So it works for us in all age groups, all categories, and there's a variety of ways that you can get it. So you might have already be a customer right now, and what you may not know is that the person that sold these to you, they were able to get them to you at a discount because they're buying in bulk. We purchase from the company and it allows us to pass a discount on to you. So if you were to go directly to PartnerCo, it would cost you about $200 in order to get a month's supply of these drops. By going through the person that invited you here, you were able to get them for $160 because they incurred a bigger cost to pass on that discount to you. So how did they do that? Well, they have the ability, and you do as well. For $29.95 US dollars, you can get a membership. It's going to allow you to open up a virtual business as well, but it also is a discount membership that you will pay one time. You never have to pay that again, and it gives you access to all of our products at a full 30% discount and the ability to buy in bulk. So I'm going to give you an example here. You could purchase a 4-pack of drops for yourself to use, right? You would have 4 months supply. We know consistency is key, and it would drop the cost down to about $100 per box with that membership fee. But you could also use our system that we have that is completely plug and play. You just copy and paste, and you could then share that extra product with the people in your world. And so you could get your product for free. We actually have bigger packs that will allow you to earn even more income. And it makes no difference to us. What we say to you today is get back with the person that got you onto this video, that shared this video with you, and let them know how you would like to partner with us. Maybe you want to get another box from them, fantastic. Maybe you want to get your box for free, fantastic. Or maybe you even want to earn income. It doesn't make a difference to us. Definitely could make a difference to you, but we want to partner with you. So thank you so much for joining us today.